Good morning everyone. I welcome you all to RKP online classes. Today we are going to start a new topic, that is states of matter. States of matter. Before doing this thing, firstly we should understand what is the meaning of this topic. States of matter. Firstly we will do this word, what is matter. In previous class also you have done what is matter. What is matter? Beta, matter is anything which is present around you, which has some mass, which occupies space, and which can be perceived by our senses. What is this? What are these 3 points and what do they mean? But anything which is, I will not speak the word any object, no. Anything which is present around you, if it has some mass, mass means material of which it is made up of. If it is occupying some space, or if it can be perceived by our senses, perceived by our senses means it can be felt by our senses. So, that thing we call as matter. Around you, if you will observe, your notebook is there, pen pencil is there, table is there, bed is there, wall, clock, many things are present around you. All they are matter? How you will say yes or no? You will say yes, they are matter because they are taking up space. For checking if anything is matter or not, what we have to do? We have to firstly check these these three conditions. If these three conditions are followed by that thing, then that is a matter. For example, we will talk about your bed on which you sleep. Does it has mass? क्या उसका कोई मटेरियल है? Yes, it has mass. Is it occupying space? Yes, it is taking up the space in your room where the bed is there. At that place, जहाँ पे वो बेड का मटेरियल आया हुआ है, वुड आई हुई है, at that place nothing can be placed. Clear? Without removing it. Can you feel by your senses? Yes, we can touch it. We can feel it. We can touch it also, right? So if these three conditions are fulfilled by that object, then that object is called matter. Otherwise, it is not matter. Around you, I have told you that many things are present. One more thing I will talk about, that is air. Air is also present around you. Yes or no? Yes, definitely air is present. So, air, without air, you cannot go anywhere where you will not find air. Air is present everywhere around you. Air is a matter. Everyone will say no. But air is a matter. How you can say that air is a matter? Does air have some mass? You will say no, it is not having any material. It is not made up of any material. I will tell you that it has mass. We will do it via activity. Does air occupy space? Yes, I am saying that air occupies space. Air is a matter. Can you feel it? Yes, we can feel air. When wind blows, we can feel it. Air is a matter. How to prove that air is a matter? First of all, I will tell you that air occupies space. How to do? These two activities I will explain it. You have to do these activities. You have to make short video of these two activities, and then you have to send it personally to me. If you will not send, definitely your marks will be deducted from class test also. Your attendance will also be marked short on that day. I will mark absent for that video class. Clear? First activity, to see whether the air occupies space or not, you have to take a balloon, empty balloon which is not filled with air. Start inflating air into it. Means inflate the air. Inflate air into the balloon. Inflate means fill air into the balloon. You will see that balloon starts increasing in size. When you have taken the balloon, it was this much size, but when you have started inflating air into the balloon, you have seen that balloon has increased in size. So how it has increased in size? The material of the balloon was that much which you have taken. balloon का material उतना ही था जितना आपने लिया था, but when you have inflated air into it, जब आपने air fill करी उसमें, balloon expanded. material तो वही है, आपने कुछ और material तो add नहीं किया balloon का, right? क्या उसमें fill किया था? What we have filled? We have filled air. तो balloon जब इतनी space, when you have taken balloon, it was taking that this much space, but when you have filled the air into the balloon, it is taking this much space, right? Firstly it was taking this much, then it has taken this much. We have not added any material of balloon. What we have added? We have added air into the balloon. It means air is occupying space. That is why the balloon starts increasing in size. So you have to do this activity. It will be very short video. Take a balloon, inflate the balloon. First, when you will take empty balloon, measure the size with the help of scale, how much space it is taking. Then inflate some amount of air into it, then measure the size, and you will get to know the difference. This video you will send to me. Now second, the third activity, how we don't have to prove it because we all know that we can feel air. Now we have to prove that air has some mass. Mass means the material of which it is made up of. Before doing that, you have to understand one thing, that if any object has mass, अगर कोई object किसी material से बना होता है, then it has its weight. उसका weight होता है, वो थोड़ा heavy होता है. Clear? Whether you are taking a rubber eraser in your hand, you will say that it is very light. चाहे जितना मर्जी light object है, उसका weight तो होएगा because it is made up of something, some material. It means if anything is having mass, it will definitely has weight. उसका weight होगा. Clear? It means I am saying that air has some mass. It means air का भी weight होएगा, right? So second activity which you all have to do. So listen it carefully. Take two balloons and take a long stick. Clear? Inflate one balloon. What to do? Inflate one balloon. Do not inflate another balloon. It means you have to take one empty balloon. You have to take one filled balloon filled with air. Clear? First of all, hang the stick at some height from the middle only. Clear? Now tie empty balloon at one corner and inflated balloon at another corner. Any corner you can choose. Empty balloon at one corner, tied with the help of thread or something, and inflated balloon at another corner, and leave it after tying. You will see that the stick will start bending to that side where you have tied inflated balloon. मतलब वो balloon की side stick बेंड हो जाएगी जिसपे आपने वो बलून टाई किया जिसमें एयर फिल्ड है. वाई? नीचे क्यों बेंड हुई? बिकॉज इट इज हेवियर एंड इट इज लाइटर. यू हैव टू टेक बलून ऑफ सेम साइज. क्लियर? बिकॉज दिस बलून इज हेवियर एंड दिस बलून इज लाइटर. अर्लियर जब दोनों बलून में एयर नहीं थी तो दोनों बलून इक्वल थे वेट में, दोनों इक्वली हैवी थे. बट जब आपने एयर फिल कर दी तो जिसमें एयर फिल करी वो ज्यादा हैवी हो गया. इट मीन्स एयर हैज वेट. इट मीन्स एयर हैज मास. सो दिस प्रूव दैट द एयर विच इज प्रेजेंट अराउंड अस इज ऑल्सो अ मैटर. नाउ इट्स योर टाइम टू डू द वर्क. यू हैव टू राइट 5 things around you which is matter, and you have to write the names of 5 things which is not matter. How to check which is not matter? अगर इन तीनों कंडीशंस में से एक भी कंडीशन फुलफिल नहीं है देन इट इज नॉट मैटर. सो इसके लिए आपको थोड़ा ज्यादा दिमाग लगाना पड़ेगा. द नेम्स ऑफ द थिंग्स which is not matter. How to check? Firstly check whether it has some mass. मास कैसे चेक करेंगे? उसका वेट देखेंगे है या नहीं. सेकेंडली इट शुड ऑक्यूपाई सम स्पेस. अगर वो स्पेस ले रही है तो उस स्पेस पे हम कुछ और नहीं रख सकते. अगर बेड है आपके रूम में तो आप बेड के ऊपर कुछ रख सकते हो, नीचे कुछ रख सकते हो, लेकिन जहां पे बेड का मटेरियल है वुड, वहां पर आप नहीं रख सकते विदाउट रिमूविंग इट. एंड इट शुड बी फेल्ट बाय योर सेंसेस. सो दिस इज हाउ वी कैन चेक what is matter and what is not matter. Now states of matter. The topic is states of matter. States of matter means matter is present in which condition, which type. Around us many things are there which is matter, but how they are present around us, whether they are very hard and stiff or they are very soft, whether they, if we are placing at one, अगर हम उसे एक जगह रख रहे हैं तो वो अपने आप दूसरी जगह जा सकते हैं नहीं, और it can go or it cannot, it can flow or it cannot flow. What are these? So this we call as states of matter, means type of matter in which condition they are present. You all have done in previous class that matter around us is basically present in three forms: solid, liquid and gas. To remember these states, I always tell that which example we have to remember. We have to remember the example of water, because water is present in all three states around us. Solid state, in solid state the water is present in ice form. Liquid, in liquid state the water is present in water form which we drink. And gaseous, in gaseous state the water is present in water vapor form, and the other form is steam. The water vapor is gaseous form and it mixes with air. We cannot see them because air, what is air? Air is also mixture of gases. जब different types की gases, oxygen, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, नाइट्रोजन, हाइड्रोजन, हीलियम, ये सारी गैसेस आपस में मिक्स होकर क्या बनाती है? एयर. सो वाटर वेपर भी क्या है? एक टाइप की गैस है. सो ये भी एयर में मिक्स हो जाता है. वी कैन नॉट सी इट. सो ऑल दीज थ्री आर द स्टेट्स ऑफ मैटर. और हमारे आसपास जो भी मैटर प्रेजेंट होएगा, वट एवर द मैटर इज प्रेजेंट अराउंड अस, ईदर इट विल बी इन सॉलिड फॉर्म, या तो वो सॉलिड फॉर्म होएगा, और लिक्विड फॉर्म, और गैसियस फॉर्म. So I hope you have understood this video. This was the basic introduction of this chapter. Chapter name is States of Matter. Clear? In next video we will do what is matter made up of. What is matter made up of? So I hope you remember what you have to do. Those two activities which I have explained, and you have to write now. Now you have to write 5 things which are matter and 5 things which are not matter. Clear?